So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can sign out your Steam account from all the devices that you have been signed in through your account. It may be a it may be a good security purpose if you want to sign out your Steam account from all the devices. If someone have been accessed your Steam account and you want to don't want to give them access, so you can sign out the Steam account from all the devices that you have been signed in. So in order to do this process, all you have to do is to just simply open the Steam on the platform that you have been using it. For example, on my Windows PC I have opened the Steam, and the home page will look something like this. You have been familiar with this. So you have to go to the option of settings. So you have to find the settings on the top left corner. You can see you have to click on the option of Steam. When you click there on the second last option, you are going to see the option of settings. Just simply click on this option, and now you are on the settings window of the Steam. Now you have to go to the option of security on the left window. You can see the on the fourth number. Just simply click on the option of security. When you click there, you can see the last option in the Steam Guard section. You can see deauthorize all devices, this option, which says sign out of all the devices that you have been used, including this one. Once you click on this option of deauthorize all devices, the devices that have been signed in through your Steam account, all the devices that have been signed in are going to be removed from this account, and you can again gain the access to the account as your personal account only. So by this method you can easily sign out your Steam account from all the devices. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.